Okay, what we're looking at here now is the floor right to the base of the stone, and it's now prepared ready for the hardcore. All the stone is sound. I've not actually undermined any of it whatsoever. I think I've been very fortunate, really. I've pointed up various bits and pieces, but it's all solid and ready to go. Now, I originally took this down intending to put the concrete down on sand blinding, but building control wanted between 2 and 4 inches of hardcore on top, which was a real bloody pain in the arse, because there were some big stones which I had to taking up those 4 inches, which are outside and in the doorway, which is here. I mean, if you look at this little beauty, it's a good 2.5 feet long by 18 inches by 18 inches, and we've got a nice collection out here, which I had to pull out with a machine, even though I dug them up by hand and levered them up with crowbars and angle bar, all sorts of bars. They're just enormous. So all this little lot came out while I was taking out that extra 4 inches for building regs. Anyway, the floor is hard. It's clay compacted with an awful lot of stone. It's a lot of digging. There's some stones which I've not been able to take out. I hope this is all right for you, Ian. I'm going to send this and let you have a look and see what you think, but I'm now ready to go with putting 4 inches of hardcore down. The drain pipe there I've put through a concrete footing under the step, because I rebuilt that bit of the wall there, and that concrete goes down for the 4 inches through that wall, and if I was to measure it, I suspect it's a good 8 inches. I think it's probably more like 10 inches. Yeah, well, 12, there you go. There's 12 inches plus. Now, that pipe is actually to take any pipe work I want to feed through for underfloor heating. I've got one approximately in the middle of the wall here as well, and one at the far end. I may not actually use them, and there's the other one, but I've just put them there just in case I need it. I've also put under the floor, which you can't see because it's buried now, you'll just see a bit of fresh mortar work just there. It's a 4-inch pipe with a pipe to the outside, because I'm actually putting a flue all the way through for the wood burner, if I ever put a wood burner in, and that goes through to the other side. So there's nothing actually structural as a problem with that. That wall's all been repointed, as you can see.